Ladies. So guys, after I see so many people joining in, I'm just like I should have been more dressed, but I was like, it's okay now. This is me, and you should see the real me. I'm a little nervous. Okay, Nawal is just counting. So Nawal is my neighbor where I used to stay before. Yes, and really good friends. His mom and me. We guys like chill. We have like the best time. So yes, I have called Parth, and I don't know. He said he's coming. Ta-da! Varun, what's up? How are you? I can't dress away. अभी घर पे बैठे हो ना, so this is me. I have come back live. Rakhi is here. What's up, Rakhi? Cute. 30. Yeah, listen, मैं तो ये KK देख के ही मेरी वो हो रही है. I'm getting so. I'm literally like you can see I'm sweating because I'm getting nervous. Sorry. Wow, 4th time you guys are watching this. This is like amazing. Where's the fam? Oh, Rihanna, fam is here. Something in Guju, please. બહુ ગરમી છે. હું બહુ નર્વસ છું. એટલું લોગ આવે છે. બહુ નર્વસ છું. I hope I said it right. It's okay. I think till the time it doesn't come, we guys can talk. You guys can talk. So guys, go ahead, ask me. When is KY by 4 coming? So I always say this question for patent question. Please ask the makers. And yeah, oh my god, we have 15k. That day I was watching Varun Dhawan ka interview with Zoya Murani, I think. Yeah, and then I saw 17k and I was like, wow, yaar, ye to life mein achievement is 17k. And here I am with 15k. Wow, I'm killing it. I'm so happy. Okay. Thanks, Varun. What did I cook today? I made dal. So whenever I don't put a picture up, that means my mother has cooked. So she made aloo gobi. I made the dal. And no, we're not announcing anything. Chill. इधर बैठे घर पे बैठे we can't announce things. Thank you, Vidhi. Thank you so much. I love how my friends come for my chats. They are love. Oh, Parth has come. Okay, how do I add it? I have sent you a request, Parth. I think you have to accept it. Kaila? What? I sent you a request. Oh, 3. Sorry. Camera. Oh. Really bad. Okay, so yes, we have Parth Sultan coming, joining us. What's up?
What's up, Niti? Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good, yeah. It's been the longest time since we've been catching up, and we've been just talking over the phone here and there messages, but
I think we only
never
message
got the
each other
chance.
जब birthday होती ना happy birthday you. We never catch
Yeah,
up and all.
absolutely. Any sort of occasion and all, we've been wishing each other, but apart from that, I think we've just been on and off. How have you
Yeah,
been?
I am good. How are you?
Good, yeah, very good, very good, very
Are
good.
you in Bombay or Pune?
I'm in Bombay, and
Are
of
you
course,
all by
home
yourself?
quarantine. Yes, unfortunately, yeah.
Damn,
Uh,
why did you come back from Pune, but?
no, I was getting bored over there, and although I thought that Bombay will be more happening. because I didn't
But
expect
still,
this restrictions and this lockdown to happen and all. So during that time, I traveled back, and then I saw, of course, the
वही बंद हो
lockdown
गया
was
सब.
imposed. Yeah, and my servant, my cook is not there over here, so I've been
So you
facing tough
listen,
times.
I want to ask you this question. Every day, are you just eating omelette and sausages and salami?
No, see, basically, it's the morning time that I have. Morning, as in evening. Sorry, afternoon. I don't know what time is that because apparently I've been juggling between timings. Today I had my first meal at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m.
Four
just an hour
o'clock.
back. Yeah, yeah. And my second meal will be around 8 o'clock, and my dinner will be at 12 midnight. So
So what time do
that
you
is
sleep?
basically at around 4 or 5. So yeah, apparently I have nothing to do. In fact, we all have nothing to do. So been just watching, binge watch, and whatnot. Cleaning up the house, taking up responsibilities in my own these two hands, and
But सुनो
making
बर्तन
sure
वर्तन
that
कर रहे हो क्या?
yeah, yeah, I do. I've shot videos also. In fact, I'll post it very soon.
Yeah.
But what have you been up to?
I am being cooking a lot and doing a lot of jharu, pocha, bartan. I'm helping my mother out a lot. I came here for the anniversary, which is on 12th, and
You came here as in where do you stay? Where are you?
in Gurgaon.
Acha, you're in Gurgaon. Oh, good, good, good.
I came
Spending
here
time
for
with
the
your family then.
anniversary. After 3 days, like इधर Delhi में lockdown हो गया था. Like nothing was open, everything was shut on the
Acha.
17th, and then officially I
हाँ.
think later on it happened. But then I was like, thank God I'm here because managing alone in Bombay would have been very difficult.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But that's
Actually,
why I
actually.
asked all my friends, I'm like, how are you guys managing? I'm to dying. I would have died.
Yeah, it's not easy. In fact, as the days are passing, it's becoming more and more strict, and there will be more and more laws by our societies and by our building people and all. Like no one is allowed, no outsiders allowed. So we might ourselves have to go down and carry whatever we have to,
Yeah.
or whatever we need,
Yeah.
we have to go by ourselves. So yeah.
Good.
So yeah. Apart from all that, it's good to catch up because a lot of say fans were asking about us and
I
were asking about
know.
yeah, we guys working together or no, we guys. So at
Listen,
least
have you ever
doing a
got like
live chat.
22.2K on your channel, like on your live video? Has it ever happened?
What?
I said 22.1K people are watching
हाँ.
us. ऐसे कभी
अच्छा.
हुआ है
So is
पहले?
it
मेरे
good or
साथ तो
what?
नहीं हुआ है.
Is it ज़्यादा? Is it what?
Maybe like it's never happened. I think when I go live, only I think maximum 5K, not more than that. But
अच्छा.
22K
So
is
I think you
like,
should say thank you then.
yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
No,
I
I
am
don't know.
just like,
I never see the numbers. I don't know. I don't even know कि
yeah,
ये ज़्यादा होता है कम होता है तो मुझे पता नहीं.
it's a lot. So basically, like all these big, like major big actors, they have like
Hmm.
this amount. Because I keep going on that chat now, I'm very really also in life nowadays.
अच्छा. Oh हाँ हाँ बराबर.
So,
घर पे रहो वेली रहो तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ अकेले ही रहो. You be able to do your own work.
but I'm doing now over here also. I can't see my mother doing anything, so I have to
So
help
what
her
are you
now.
doing then? What are you currently doing? You're helping out your
Uh,
mother in cooking.
in cooking, in cleaning, because I think now they're aging. So I don't. It's like no खुद ही होता है ना कि आप मत करो मैं कर देती हूँ. So
हाँ मुझे तो अब आदत डालनी है ट्रेनिंग लेनी है मेरी तो शादी होने वाली है blah blah blah.
like staying alone only teaches you so much. I think I was ready then. Now I'm like major ready. Now even my
हाँ
mother-in-law is like, listen, इतने भी recipes मत सीख because इधर complex हो जाएगा.
हाँ हाँ. So what's up with your fiance? How is he?
He's good. He's in the army, so he's posted somewhere really far.
Yeah, I
Like
heard.
he's
I
very
heard.
far without any network only. So half the time
Where
we are
where?
like struggling. I can't say no.
अच्छा. Do you think
हाँ.
people will reach out there?
अरे कुछ नहीं पता यार. Basically, it's not allowed to be told. अभी के लिए तो.
Okay, but is he there right now or is he back home?
No, he's there only. They all are
That's so
there.
unfortunate, yeah.
Yeah, no one's allowed to
उनका तो
travel. No
basically,
one's allowed to
yeah,
do
उनका basically
anything.
like 365 days lockdown होता है उनका.
Yeah, उनका तो वही lockdown. He's like, it's nothing
Yeah,
new for
वही.
me. It's like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
basically they're having more fun than we are having. All the officers meet together and they're like having, like
No, they
playing
are having fun
games.
because we are being tortured.
Yeah.
So yes, what's new? How do you Guys, I want to tell you that it was Neeti's idea that we should come live together, and so she has some sort of ideas that will make this chat more entertaining. Although
Yes.
we are not the entertaining people, but still she feels that we will entertain. So let's see what Neeti has got in store.
Yes, so I have a rapid fire for you. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions. What's your favorite part of
So do
your
I,
day?
one second, do
Huh.
I get to ask these questions again to you?
You can ask. Since you have questions, you
Shit.
can ask.
Pen and paper लेना पड़ेगा shit. Okay.
मेरे
हाँ
पास
बोलो.
तो बुक है पेन आपके पास है ना you have to
नहीं कुछ
remember
नहीं.
everything चलो your
Hmm.
favorite part of your day
My favorite part of my day, day or night.
anything what is your favorite part of like your day your entire day like you love sleeping
So-
or do you like waking up
So I'm a
or
night person. I am a night person, so I usually stay up till 4 or 5. Yesterday I slept at 5 actually. So yeah, it's the time between 12 to 5. Yeah,
how many hours do you sleep
I sleep for good. These days I've been sleeping for good 8 to 9 hours. But apart from that, I've been shooting exclusively. So 4 hours would be like heaven for me. But right now I've been covering up all that sleep.
okay what needs to happen this month
What
you
needs
thought
to
कि
happen?
ये होने वाला है ये month में तो what is that please share
मतलब
आवाम जानना
I
चाहते हैं
didn't understand. I
I'm
didn't
saying
understand.
what
What?
needs to happen like this month yeah I wanted to lose like 5 kilos or I needed to do something like you have like a goal in the end of the month or something like that कि ये हो जाएगा
Yeah,
यार I
see,
hope कि
apparently बहुत सारे goals होते हैं. Every month we plan something, but this quarantine and this COVID-19 is something that we never expected. So all our, I could say indirectly that all our dreams are being shattered currently. But what needs to be done? I think yoga needs to be done. I've been in touch with Erica also, and she's been doing a lot of yoga. And imagine she is so slim, and she's the
हाँ
one who's been working out amongst all the actors, amongst the Kasauti members, and we are the ones who's chilling at home. We are into fitness basically. She shoots every day. She doesn't get time to even work out. She doesn't even need to. But we are the
हाँ
ones who
हाँ
work out. And now it's completely opposite that we are the ones who's chilling and who's just hogging around. And she's the one who's doing yoga and calisthenics and whatnot, whatnot. So I need to learn something from that. That needs to be done.
well listen like can you work out and all also like I don't get any motivation only like I'm like
Exactly,
oh
exactly. I don't have any sort of motivation. That's why I'm not working out. I just feel that करके करेंगे क्या? And that too, like अभी चलो कर लिया and then what? So like you to maintain the diet and plus I'm staying alone. So you cannot even expect कि चलो बैठे बैठे खाना मिल जाएगा आपको salad मिल जाएगा
हाँ
या healthy कुछ मिल जाएगा. So that is also not happening. So on the contrary, I'm like let's just give this a break. Let's just enjoy. Let's just chill. Let's just have some good biryani, good pizzas, and just be myself. And then when the time comes, obviously, then I'll work out.
even this is what even I am thinking because I can't I tell myself चलो सीढ़ियाँ ही I'll climb up like भाई नहीं
Yeah,
हुआ
actually, you do look like you put on some weight. Have you?
no it's my बाल is चपटा ये my
No,
चप्पू
no,
cheeks
your cheeks, your cheeks. Yeah, yeah.
I have थोड़ा सा when you saw me that was very thin
Acha. 10 years back,
हाँ
and 10 years later, you look the same.
I look the same only I don't change even when I'm 50 I'm gonna
So,
look the
so the
same
nation wants to know how old are you, Niti? Are you option 140, option 2 50, option 3 70, or option 2 71.5?
71.5
Okay, so
it's the
there you go.
0.5 that makes me look like this
Yeah, 0.5. That's why it takes you to 0.5.
Nation wants to know what are you drinking
What am I drinking? Green tea.
green tea how many cups of
Yeah.
green tea do you drink in a day
Just one, just one. 1 cup of green tea, 1 cup of black coffee, and yeah, that's it. That's it.
what are the benefits of green tea
What are the benefits of green tea? Nothing.
Nothing. People say
It's just
green
an
tea पियो
illusion.
क्योंकि आप पतले हो जाते हो
Yeah, कुछ नहीं है. Nothing of that sort.
नहीं है
It's just about having some hot water and some feeling light, and it's good for digestion actually. When you have some sort of heavy food or something, so it's good for digestion. But I don't believe in the concept of losing weight. Although people tend to say that you lose 50 calories every green tea, every cup of green tea.
हाँ हाँ
I don't know
हाँ
how much of that is true. But 50 calories, come on, give me a break. कितना आप लोग एक बाइट लेते 50 कैलोरीज हो जाते हैं, तो उसमें क्या है?
नेशन हॉस्टल को मेरा चैलेंज क्यों नहीं किया?
What,
मैंने
what,
एक्सप्लेन
what?
भी किया कैसे करना था ये वाला चैलेंज,
अरे,
क्यों नहीं
you
किया?
won't believe this.
आई
I
गॉट
still don't know
कॉल.
how to do it. No, I still don't know how to do it. And a couple of more people actually challenged me differently, different challenges. They also sent.
हाँ.
Palash had also sent some other challenge, and he sent me on WhatsApp also explaining to me कैसे करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. Still, I couldn't do it. It's like यार ये too much of तामझाम.
That's
खुद
why
ही
I
करा लो
sent it
यार.
to you. So basically, Parth is not good with these Instagram things and how to do it. So I actually sent him a voice note. I was like, ऐसे कर देना वैसे. But then you didn't do it. But okay. It's
I'll
just
do
something
it
that
very
you have a
soon.
lot of knowledge about.
Something that I have a lot of knowledge about. I think uh, traveling, partying. Apparently, I've been traveling a lot, but
I
yeah,
know
these 2 months.
that. But that's
The first thing
amazing.
that the first thing I'll do after this quarantine is then obviously I'll travel
I know,
somewhere.
in June, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
You are falling.
apart from that, a lot of if you talk to me about cinema or if you talk to me about films, I think I'll have endless conversations regarding films and cinema because
Okay.
some knowledge that I've gained, and I watch a lot of world cinema. I watch a lot of Chinese drama, Chinese films. I watch a lot of Japanese anime shows. I watch a lot of Korean shows, Spanish shows. So yeah, there you go. If you want to talk about films and shows and all, we can talk about world cinema.
Yo, abhi ke liye, what series are you watching?
Abhi ke liye I'm watching, in fact, again a Chinese show on Netflix called Kingdom. It is based on zombies.
Zombie.
So
Oh.
yeah, yeah, you should watch. It's very interesting actually.
Don't you plan to go to Korea?
What?
Do you want to go to Korea? Like, do you want to visit
Of
Korea?
course, of course. It's on my travel list. I want to go to Korea, and all the times I've planned. Once I had planned completely, but I ended up going somewhere else because I had no company. So because Korea is some country, obviously you need someone over. You cannot go all by yourself. So let's see, let's see. Why are
So
you
when
asking
you
about
go,
Korea?
when you're planning something, let me know, okay? Because my sister-in-law stays there. So I
Then
can
then
either, my sister-in-law stays there. So I can
in
guide you.
Korea,
Yeah, she's like, yes, she's in
she
Korea.
works over there.
Yeah, her husband and they work there.
Arey wah,
Living there.
nice, very nice.
Yeah, so I can help you out. And I can also plan a
Cool,
holiday.
cool. You been to Korea?
No, I want to go. Abhi to
Acha.
nahi. I don't know
Okay.
where, but yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so next question.
Uh,
An important person in your life.
Important person in my life, my mother. Very important. I think parents are something that is kind of constant in your life,
Right.
no matter how many people come and go, no matter irrespective of the situation, irrespective of what's been happening in your life and how you also behave personally with them. That
Yeah.
love from your parents will be always there. So yeah, that
Always.
one person is constant. Yeah.
I think no matter what you do in your life, they're always going to be there.
Yes,
Stuck
they'll
to you
always
like
be
glue.
supportive. They'll always be standing behind you. So yeah.
Okay, who called you last? Oh, that was
Huh?
me, na? I called you
What?
last.
What?
I said, who
Yeah, you
called you
called me
last?
last. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
You
who
just
did you
lost one
call?
question.
I got a call. Who did
Whom
you
did I call?
call last?
I didn't call anyone today. Actually, I got calls. I didn't call anyone today. Last
Okay.
night, by the way, last night I learned how to make rice.
You
Uh,
learned how to make rice.
yes, I know it's very
Okay.
simple, but I've never learned. And
No, it is not simple, okay? I know a lot of people who still burn rice.
really?
Like a lot of people, they burn rice. I think my one quality is that I'm very good at making rice. मेरे कभी नहीं जलते.
Acha. Okay. So I learned that, and that too from Erica. She gave me the recipe.
हाँ.
Recipe as in हम लोग ने proper live chat किया WhatsApp पे, and
उसने
she
पूरा
showed me
explain
everything.
किया.
I used to show her कितना पानी निकालो, कितना ये रखो, कितना वो रखो, and all. So she was very supportive in that. So yeah.
1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water.
नहीं, मैंने ज्यादा बना
Always.
दिया. मैं 3-4 दिन के लिए बना लिया. अकेला हूँ ना मैं. कौन वापस
नहीं
वापस
नहीं
बनाएगा?
always हाँ but always remember if it is like 2 cups of rice also so double the amount of water always.
हम्म. अच्छा ओके ठीक है.
Yeah. So okay. So what was your? No, wait. What will you have for dinner?
What will I have for dinner? I still have to think. I think I'll order. I'll order.
You'll order.
I know
Okay.
that's not safe, but I'm making sure that all the precautions are being taken. And
Oh, of course.
yeah, but still,
But
if you're saying not to order outside food, then please come at my home and please cook food for me. Whoever is even asking. So yeah. So
okay. Okay. Bullet your whole day. Like,
huh?
how will you define your entire day?
How will I define my entire day? So apparently, I start up with right now. It's currently obviously it's not happening at all like any other citizen of the country. But I wake up and I switch on to the news. Proper like कि पिछले
You
24
know
घंटे
that
में क्या
tomorrow
हुआ.
morning Modi ji is coming at 10
Yeah,
a.m.
10 o'clock. I know that. I
I
know that.
get so
So yeah,
excited now.
you're so excited. Why? He's
I
gonna
get
come
so
on Insta
excited. I'm
Live
like,
with
oh
you.
my
Or
god, Modi ji is coming. You have no
you
idea. I'm
should
like,
ask
so
him for Insta
excited.
Live.
Huh?
You should ask him for Insta Live. Then see 22K कहाँ जाएंगे तुम्हारे.
Oh my god, I'll actually have to dress up for that. Like, my god,
Yeah. And then you should ask him who was the last person you called, Modi ji.
that'll be hilarious. I just hope
Hmm.
things are better tomorrow when he
Hmm.
gives his speech. Acha, what's the first thing that Modi ji says?
What's the first thing?
Modi ji says.
Said.
Says. मेरे प्यारे
Said.
देशवासियों.
Mitro. Mitro नहीं?
हाँ मित्रों यार
Mitro,
मेरे प्यारे
Mitro. Yeah.
देशवासियों वासियों भी बोलते हैं वो.
हाँ. वासी ऐसा साउंड हो जैसे एकदम तुम कहाँ पहुंच गई.
Anybody talks. I'm not saying anything. Okay. मेरा हो गया.
हो गया. अरे. Okay. Now I have some questions. Actually questions नहीं है पर जो भी दिमाग में आएगा मैं पूछूंगा. Okay.
हाँ okay.
Uh, uh, so what was the last thing that you shot? Matlab like short, like a web show or a show or anything. And how was your experience?
So last time I shot only, I don't remember.
Anything. It can be an ad, short film or anything.
I don't remember. Basically, before coming, I shot couple of those promotional things that I do.
Achha.
And oh, I also shot for my web series, which is supposed to come, and now I think it's going to be a year that is not coming only. So
Why?
पता नहीं पूरा push हो गया. Things are getting delayed. It's
What is this
weird.
web show you're working on?
Sorry, for
What is
All
this web
Balaji.
show? Acha, very nice.
I can't say much. Yeah, they will
Okay.
kill me.
Okay. I know. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Anyway,
what was the question?
this was the question. What you've been shooting last and how was your experience?
My experience is good only. I love shooting. You know, na, I love working. I can shoot for like 24 hours
Yeah,
and
I
come
know.
back again and shoot for 24 hours
Yeah.
and have the same kind of energy. So yeah.
Energy. I remember your energy used to be very low during Yaria time, here and there. And
वो तो first two ना, third में आ गई ना वापस में with a bang.
so obviously third में how much did we shoot actually? 45 days to be precise.
हाँ, but I still
हाँ,
enjoyed
अगर वो
that
45
time.
days 450 days में होते तो फिर then you would know ना, then the energy would go down the drain anyway. So apart from that, do you miss कैसी है यारिया season 5?
Listen, people keep asking कि season 4 आ रहा है. I always tell them कि please भाई ask the makers ना, because we are actors, we will act if we get an opportunity. है ना?
Okay,
You
to all
will
the
act.
people who've been wanting to know, who've been asking the same question again and again, let us tell you that we've already shot season 4, but it's just that we were supposed to release in this quarantine period, but unfortunately we're not able to. because कुछ parts रह गए हैं. So अभी जैसे नीति ने कहा कि she's not able to speak up about some projects of hers, so she's not saying. But I am confessing right now that season 4 will come back very soon, inshallah next year, because that's what Niti's been saying कि next year शायद push होके. Okay, there goes your answer.
मरवाओगे.
मैंने ही क्वेश्चन पूछा और मैंने आंसर किया. वेरी नाइस.
Yeah.
नहीं आंसर
Wow.
तुमने पूछा.
Okay. और so
और
are you
तो
next time going to
now the
invite me
nation
for one
wants
of
to
your
know
parties also?
what.
I said, are you going to invite me for one of your parties also?
Yeah, one of my parties. मतलब suddenly it feels
No,
like
because
I
every
am
time I
the
because मैं
party
ऐसे बात
organizer.
ना उसको नहीं बुलाया क्यों नहीं बुलाया फिर मेरे को नीति आइडेंटिटी इनवाइट किया मुझे क्या पता आइडेंटिटी इनवाइट.
नहीं यार, I felt so bad initially when this lockdown and this Corona thing happened because I was traveling to USA. I was trying to Miami on 19th of March. I still have the bookings and everything. Fortunately, they gave me full refund for it, and they've done everything. All our bookings were done in Miami and Florida and everything. And there was a music festival happening over the Ultra Music, if you know. So we were attending that. We were like 18 of us from India who
Wow.
were traveling together. Yeah, that's like a big group. So 18 of us from traveling from all different parts of the country to one place. And it was gonna be one epic this thing gathering and one epic festival. But then obviously we felt really bad. But then good now we feel now that whatever has to happen, it happens for the good
Happens
because
for the
now
best.
we are sure safe and we are at our respective places home, which is so given the time if we were there we wouldn't be able to come back. So yeah, so uh, but it's good. Apart from that, yes, Niti, I will send you a formal invitation every time whenever I have my next party coming up, and soon we can go live again then, partying together.
Wow, you want to go live while partying together? Wow. That's cool.
So
Are you
now
in
the
touch
nation
with
wants to know.
uh-huh.
Now the nation wants to know very important question, the most extreme important question that the nation wants to know. When are you getting married?
I will send you an invite, don't worry.
No, give me a date. So obviously I'll have to figure out from my busy schedule. You
अरे
know how
यार
hectic
सब
it is.
अभी push हो गया
I'm
ना.
partying all the time, so I have to make sure that I don't party for some days.
I will plan my wedding according to your availability.
Thank you
Remember
so
that.
much. You
I
are the
will do
sweetest.
that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I thought
today I was watching this news. I wouldn't mention the name, but उसमें गलती से वो एंकर जर्नलिस्ट ने बोल दिया कि पीएम मोदी ने अनाउंस किया है कि अप्रैल 40 तक लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड है. अप्रैल
oh
40.
really?
So we actually shot a video because she repeated it twice.
Listen, there was
क्या
this
लगता है आपको
journalist.
अप्रैल 40 तक लॉकडाउन है?
There was this
अप्रैल
journalist
40.
who messaged me today because I was putting
हाँ.
all the throwback pictures of कैसी है यार, okay? First that journalist like, how is coronavirus treating you? First he messaged me that. I'm like, bhai, what do you mean by coronavirus treating me? I was like, I don't have coronavirus. He's like, oh, just asking. I was like, okay. And then
I was
now
testing you.
and then now he messages me after me uploading all the pictures and all. Oh, Casey
हाँ.
Another 4 is coming and now you're announcing it. So tell me about it. Give me your bites. I was like, pagal hai kya tu? I was like, what is wrong with you? Like,
So who are
seriously,
you in
I was the
touch
first to ask.
from the cast of Yaria? Who are you in touch with?
I'm in touch with everyone besides Charlie and Barkha.
अच्छा.
और राधिका भी नहीं मतलब इतना नहीं.
अच्छा.
Yeah. Who are you in touch with?
I have been in touch with no one. No, of late I've been very occupied with work, but here and there I keep getting messages from people, be it Krizan or Barkha. And Barkha apparently was asking me to come live with her. She's been doing something, and
हाँ. She's listen.
so
Did you watch her web show? I forgot the name
no,
only.
what web show?
She did something really big or a movie. I don't know what it was. Like she
I
does a
don't know.
lot of work, but she did something which was very big. I think it was a
Acha.
movie. I don't know, on Netflix or something like that.
Okay.
So
So yeah,
yeah, I'm
I
not.
couldn't get on live with her, but she's kind of pissed with me. So let's see. I'll work that out.
I want to know
Apart
how
from
many
that,
people are pissed with you.
how many people? The people, whoever is expecting anything from me is pissed with me because they're not getting anything in return.
But listen, you are in touch with
So,
me. Like we at least say hello, hi, like that. So you
so
can't say you're
this
not
way
in
I'm in
touch.
touch with Karan also. Like we keep bumping into each other. He comes to Balaji Studio, and he
Oh
comes
yeah, I'm
for
not in
a
touch.
couple of.
Touch with Utkarsh also. Sorry, I forgot.
Acha.
I'm remembering all
Okay.
the
How is
people.
he?
Yuvraj. How will I know?
You said na you're in touch with Utkarsh also.
I am not in touch. Not in
You're
touch.
not in touch, acha.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that way I keep bumping into Karan, and he's good. He's been doing good on a Z show,
Z,
and
yeah,
he's
yeah, he's
working.
killing it.
Yeah, he's doing good, so which is good. And let's see. Apart from that, I don't know anyone now. I'm not in
Well,
touch.
listen,
Rajiv
2019,
sir,
18.
yes, Rajiv sir, our director, if you
Acha,
remember.
I remember.
Yeah,
Rajiv Raj.
I've been in constant touch, and we know about our whereabouts. And he was shooting in Cinevista, and I was shooting nearby. So I
Acha.
visited it set twice, and he's a good human being. He's a good person, and so yeah. So that way, I'm in touch with the director, and yeah, pretty much. Are you in touch with Richa Yamini?
Yes, I am. I
Yes, you
am.
are.
I am. I
So
messaged her
what's been
also. Like,
happening?
hope you're doing good. Yeah,
Acha,
I'm in touch with her.
acha, okay.
Yeah.
It's been the longest time since I spoke to her last, but yeah, apparently she's good. Yeah, I mean, I miss working about on her projects and all. Although she's not working with the production that's working, which she was with. We wouldn't mention the name. You're not allowed to. Okay, please don't mention. Yeah. So apart from that, what are you watching currently?
Currently, I am
Are
watching
you
so
watching Kaisi Hai
many.
Yaariyan season 3?
I am. मैंने देखा. Have you seen our show ऐसे?
What?
I said, have you seen our show?
What?
Have you seen our show?
Actually, so just in my defense, I would like to say I haven't even watched Kasauti. Okay, so Yaria I haven't watched, so I don't know. But looking at the fans that follow us and they love us and the support that they have given us, I think it's done good. I think season 3 did
Yeah,
really
I
well.
think
That's
it's
why they
done
wanted to do
really
season
good.
4.
Yeah. I think the
Yeah,
fan
yeah.
base we have is amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it's so. I mean, it's so surprising to see people messaging you again and again, still asking for season 4, or just talking about they have completed the season 3 or season 2 twice. They have watched it multiple times. They've watched it, so it's so nice, and we thank them for loving our show so much, for loving the chemistry so much. Although we never had any sort of physics or chemistry or biology or anything for that matter off the set. I think that's what brought the chemistry better on the scale. Hannah,
Yeah.
what do you think, Nikhil?
Yeah, same, yeah. I'm just
Yeah.
blessed to have people love you so much. And
Mm.
though I want to say that you're doing really good, 2019, 18, when did Kasauti start?
18K last month.
18K. Boy, it's been like so good for you, and I'm so happy and proud. And I feel so like, when good things happen to good people, it's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
amazing. So I'm so glad that Kasauti has been a hit for
Thank
and
you so much.
taken
Thank
your
you.
career to another level. Because when you see your friends doing so well, like I consider you
Mm.
a friend. Like,
2020 will be much better. In fact, inshallah, I have some good things happening, some bigger things, in
yeah,
fact. So let's see.
don't
Fingers
worry, it's
crossed.
gonna be the best, and I'm wishing you all
Uh,
the best and happiness.
नहीं वो होता है ना कि 2020 has started and a lot of people have said that we should stay away from negativity and stay with the positive people. I think we should stay away from the positive people currently.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's the other way
You
around.
end up
ओ या वो मेरे बिल्डिंग में 4 है, सचिन को भी है और वो जाफर को भी है और एक सेकंड पुणे में 3-4 लोगों को है मेरे फ्रेंड्स को, मैं उनको मिला था और अभी मिलके मैं एकदम चिल किया उनके साथ, बोला कि कैसे चल रहा है, बीमार हो, टेक केयर, ये वो सब कुछ बोला मैंने। हाउ इज कोविड-19 ट्रीटिंग यू, ये भी पूछा मैंने।
अरे ओ
तो
वाओ, लाइव नहीं
या
गए
या
उनके साथ?
अरे लाइव मतलब सब कुछ कर लिया मैंने।
Listen, how's Scarlett?
Scarlett is good. She's in Goa and she's with her family. She's
Oh,
actually
that's
stuck over there. And
हाँ.
now she was like, hey, yaar, you guys should have traveled to Goa before the lockdown. Then we could have
Yeah.
been together, all of us and all, and partied together. So yeah, that's something
But
that's
Goa's
been
actually
missing.
quite chill, huh? Still people are like chilling and like.
No. It's very strict out there.
यार
Scarlett
मेरे
told
पास
me
कुछ
that.
फ्रेंड्स जो मैं देख रही हूँ, मैं ऐसे हम लोग भाई साहब तुम लोग तो बड़े मजे कर रहे हो तो जाके.
पता नहीं like people very strict restrictions on going on outside to buy something to only one person of the family can fall out and all that restrictions they have,
So
and
मे
of
बी कि
course
वो
all
मस्ट बी
everything is
लाइक
shut,
थोड़ा
everything, all the cafes and restaurants and everything is shut, and if everything is shut,
शांत.
what are you going to do going outside? You cannot even go on
बीच
the
पे लोग
beach
घूम
and
रहे इतना
sit
पता
over
है मेरे
there
को.
because cops will come and they'll tell you to go back to your respective places.
It's crazy here because everything is locked down. Like you can't even get out of the building. Even
Yeah,
vegetables
yeah,
and
yeah.
everything, they've given us numbers. You have to call them and they'll come and give it to you. Like you're not
I
allowed
know,
to
I
go
know, I
in.
know. In fact,
But
in our
एक
building
भी
only,
इनको कहीं
they
नहीं मिल
opened
रहा.
up. Yeah, they opened up. So we always had one fruits and vegetable ka this thing in our society only, in our building. So now they have installed that only. Okay, now people don't need to call out whatever vegetables and fruits you need to buy, you can go around. But apparently, I don't need all that because I stay alone. I don't cook. So, कट रही है जिंदगी in short.
कोई ना, सीख लोगे धीरे धीरे.
धीरे धीरे मतलब अगर 1 साल का लॉकडाउन हुआ तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा.
अभी राइस बनाए, कल खिचड़ी बना देना.
राइस, हाँ नहीं, let's see. Rice, Maggie, omelette, repeat.
And sausages and salamis. Oh my god, I
And
love
salam
salami.
alaikum. Yeah, yeah.
I get to see salami like that.
तो तुम्हारी शादी कब होने वाली है?
दिल्ली में यार.
ओह, अब दिल्ली आना पड़ेगा.
दिल्ली आओगे ना?
Will you invite me?
People, I will
Will
of
you
course.
invite me?
Of course. You're on my list. You're number one. Like I have like a list in already.
Of course
बस
you would be.
डेट और मंथ पता चले और हो जाएगा.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
So what are you doing next now? The nation wants to know that. After this quarantine, is there anything that you have in hand that you're about to do, or you still shooting, or you're already shooting? What is it?
I was supposed to. That's what I'm saying. I was supposed to shoot for the web series, but it's got pushed. Then I was supposed to shoot it in March, on the 18th of
Uh,
March. Then
acha.
everything got pushed. So now, once the lockdown gets over, I have to go back and then let's see, because it's going to happen in Nainital. Yeah, Nainital. So अभी देखते हैं, because everybody is like now we can't even say कब करेंगे, because what
I think I
gets
know
said.
this show.
Yeah, you know this show. Which show?
Uh,
Which show?
is it the one? Uh, is Ritvik there?
Yeah. Yeah.
He told me the entire story and everything. He was sitting at some cafe and he told me everything.
हाँ.
So then you guys have a lot of work to do then. It's just the start, right?
Start तो अगस्त को होने वाला था.
नहीं मतलब अभी तो सिर्फ स्टार्ट ही हुआ है ना, like lot of work to do.
अभी तो start भी नहीं हुआ. We're not even sure. We just shot one, like 2 scenes.
2 दिन का
3
कुछ ऐसे
scenes.
शूट किया. हाँ.
Yeah, for something, and then now it's all got approved and everything.
अच्छा.
Few actors are also getting changed. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है तो फिर.
Good.
Yeah. So
Do you know what I am doing or not?
I know what you're doing.
What?
I know who you're doing it with also.
Huh?
I know what you're doing. I saw your thing. Your
The hero
web
thing?
show, na? The web series.
The hero.
Yeah.
So it's based on a gangster and
I
everything.
know it's damn hot. I thought really like it. I love all these gangster
Yeah.
series and all of that.
Yeah. So it's really cool. I mean, the dialogues are
I know who
really
shot it
bold.
also.
You,
I know who shot it also.
who shot it?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
the
yeah. Okay, okay, okay,
DOP,
okay.
the director, the DOP. Oh, now I know. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Acha. You know, I worked with them before.
I know. Gujarati.
I didn't know this. I didn't know this. So he reminded me of it. I was like, Parth, remember we worked on. Oh,
Marathi
acha,
or
acha.
Gujarati or something like that, no?
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, very old.
Acha, acha, acha.
Yeah.
Oh, now I know.
Yeah. So you have also been with me with so many people.
हाँ
Nothing, nothing. That was for me.
हाँ ये अपने इनर मोनोलॉग्स अपने वॉइसेस अपने पास रखो
हाँ वो
दिमाग में
अंदर ही है पर थोड़ा बहुत
हाँ
समझ
वो
आया ना
नहीं वो बाहर आ गया था वो ऑडियंस तक पहुंच गया था so you have to take it back like
yeah but have you started shooting for it or is it over or still something is left
no apparently because of Kasauti because I'm already occupied with Kasauti so they have to manage dates so they have to manage like 10, 10, 15 days a month to make sure that the show happens so we've shot like 30 to 40% of it and
okay
it's come out really well and in fact I remember even the director told me this and the producer told me this that Ekta ma'am saw the episodes and she actually called up her web people to show that this is how it has to be done. Look at
done
this. This is how it needs to be shot. So the DOP is done good. The director has done good, and
who's the director
director his name is Siddharth Luther, and he's very good. And apparently, the way we shot it belongs to the 90s era. And so we've kept that look, that long hair, that
I know
everything.
so
Although I'm not, unfortunately, I'm not allowed to share right now the look because it's really kick-ass and it's amazing. It's completely different of what I am, what I look right now. So let's see. Once this quarantine is being lifted, then we can get back to our daily routine.
but there's one question I want to ask you okay because I follow
Yeah.
you I keep seeing like you're doing a daily show and also you go for so many holidays I'm always like bhai shoot कौन कर रहा है like इतनी छुट्टी तो मिलती नहीं है like I always wonder कि shoot कौन कर रहा है
No, I don't want to. I don't
बहुत
want to
टाइम है
bring
क्या
out the inside secrets about how do I manage. But I just want to say that yes, a lot of people have been, a lot of people from my, in fact, the Balaji people, or in fact, the people who work on different shows, they ask me कि तुम्हारे शो पे कैसे allow करते हैं ये सब तुम्हारे शो पे ये possible कैसे है and how do you manage time to travel and everything. So
sometimes the both of you are not there you both are gone somewhere it's that's what
yeah,
seems
yeah.
weird एक बार ये भी था कि
No,
she was attending some wedding with Shubhavi you were attending some other wedding and I was like भाई shoot कौन कर रहा है बहुत
no.
टाइम है क्या
So Joe, I feel it's how the production handles. Unfortunately, when we were shooting Yaria, we were never getting any sort of time, any sort of dates, you know. So because whatever we used to shoot used to come out like the very next day or the day after. So over here, uh, thanks to Balaji because they've worked so hard and they've been working since so many years. So they have that sort of experience कि कितना टाइम लगता है एक शो को प्रॉपर लाइनअप पे लाने के लिए and how can they manage then the actors dates, the directors dates and everything accordingly. So they know a specific time. So they asked us to adjust with them initially at the start of the show. We did that and post that now they are cooperating with us. So it is a very give and take this thing, and it's been going out very smoothly and very nicely. Experience counts, and that's how they are handling it. So it's a fantastic job that you do.
but that's great yeah otherwise you know how
Yeah,
production houses are
I know, completely,
they छुट्टी
completely. In
देने में
fact,
भी like you know they don't even give you one day off even if you're sick you have to work and all but that's good
a lot of people currently also who've been working outside Balaji. I've met like a couple of them, and they are like, "कि कैसे time मिलता है तुम्हें because we don't get time." So yeah. But unfortunately, right now, uh, March May, March or I think March May, our show had become 6 days a week. So that was
Oh,
really hectic.
oh my
Yeah.
God, that's
And
crazy.
can you believe it? Even with 6 days, we never shot anything extra. Extras में गया ही नहीं for a month. So that's how brilliantly they manage. I mean, they opened up a couple of units more. They made sure the writing has to be done accordingly.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So
So
that way,
three
but
three
they didn't
units,
go.
four units,
Yeah,
three
they didn't go
units.
for over the board. They didn't go for extra hours. Nothing. They have to shoot whatever they have to do, shoot within 12 hours, which was
So
good.
basically the story, the screenplay, everything was written before only. Otherwise इसी में problem होती है ना,
No,
screenplay
no,
नहीं
it's
है,
not.
आप
It's
wait
not.
कर रहे हो dialogues के लिए.
I
Everything
would
is
say
ready.
the writers worked really hard to make sure that it's been happening because also they are not informed in advance. They are not
हाँ
informed
हाँ.
like 2 3 months advance में कि ऐसे होने वाला है show 2 महीने बाद and all. Obviously, they get to know the last moment only. So they have worked and they have been given the deadlines also. So everyone has come together and worked accordingly. And again, like I said, Balaji is very much experienced in this. It's not like the first time they are doing a show. So they have
Yeah,
done
for sure.
multiple shows with X number of timings and time zones and everything, deadlines and everything. So yeah,
अच्छा, I want to ask you one more question. How many times are
hmm.
you married in the show? हो गई शादी वादी?
To be
कितनी
honest,
बार हुई?
I forgot the number because I don't get time to watch my show. But I don't know. I mean, around 3 4 times, 4 times,
Four
five
times
times.
हो
I don't
गई.
know.
With the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
person or different people?
With two people,
अच्छा, with two.
with Kamalika and Prerna. It's just switching between them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, yeah.
बच्चे बच्चे भी हुए?
अभी हुआ है मार्च में and the 7 year
Listen,
old kid.
Erica is saying hi to you.
Yeah. अरे यार, I missed out.
I think that's her.
Okay.
If I'm not
हाँ.
wrong. I think it's her only.
अच्छा. So so we have a 7 year old kid, and we just shot one scene in the entire month. But guess what? When I asked the kid, so where do you stay and what do you and which school do you go to? And she said I go to this school, and I'm like, oh wow, this is very close to my house. And she's like, and then I'm like, where do you stay? And she mentioned the house's name, and I'm like, that's my building. So,
You guys stay in the same building? Oh my god.
yeah, yeah.
Your kid stays in the
So.
same building as you.
That so then you know Amna, right?
Amna Sharif. हाँ. She's very pretty, yeah.
So me and Amna, so I take her case so much that
हाँ.
she's annoyed with me too much at times, and he's very sweet actually. But when this kid was sitting between us and this kid was, and it's our kid, Maya and Amna's. So when this kid was mentioned कि अरे मैं ये society, then Amna was like ये तो तेरी बच्ची है, तेरी लड़की है ये. No,
You have a daughter who stays in the same society as you. Wow. Is your daughter fine?
so yeah. Sorry.
Is your daughter okay? Is she fine? Are you checking
Yeah,
on
yeah.
her?
Yeah. Oh, I have to check on her. Yeah, I have to.
You forgot?
Apparently.
Cool
No, but
people
we've
think
been
कि हमारा
getting
video call
along
चल
good.
रहा है. हाँ जी. I don't have kids. What?
I'm sure you don't have, but you will have very one soon. I don't know when.
तो very very
Maybe.
soon नहीं होगा.
अच्छा, very very soon नहीं होगा. I don't know.
First, this one has to look like one mature girl, no? She has to look like a mother to have a kid.
Who? No, you
She
are
has to look.
71.5. You're already mature.
No, I don't look ना. I have to look also.
नहीं, look से क्या लेना देना है? It's not about that.
अरे
बालिका
वैसे
वधू
भी
नहीं
आधे
देखा?
लोग तो यही समझ रहे बालिका वधू हो रहा है.
हाँ, वही.
Yes. Okay, so let's end this chat. But you have to sing because I told everyone you're going to sing a song. So please.
No, no, I'm not singing. I'm not singing. Please. I've been last. I think I sang was years back. I haven't. I've been completely out of touch.
Out of
I
touch.
think Niti, you should be the one who's singing because we never heard you singing.
I never don't want you to call me ever again. I never want that not to happen. If I sing.
No, please, please, it's a request. The nation wants to know that how you sing.
Oh,
Do you sing
three.
professionally?
I think they know. I don't want you to see this phase of mine. You would never even reply to
The
anything I
nation wants to
message
judge
you.
you, Niti, based on your singing talent. Are you capable enough? How is COVID-19 treating you?
It's making me insane. It's making me a singer. You can say
Yes,
that.
so you should rather sing. Please.
अच्छा okay okay tell me. I'm a good sport. Which song?
Which song?
अभी ऐसे दिमाग में नहीं आता ऐसे सडनली कोई बोलता है गाने के लिए लगा.
So whatever comes to your mind, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I've been out of touch. Songs भी मैं कुछ अभी पार्टी की सुनता हूँ. So I don't know.
Oh okay. So wait, fans are saying they prepared a quiz for us.
Who?
Fans.
Okay. ठीक है.
People are thinking we're having a video call firstly.
Acha. It should look like that way, yeah. It shouldn't look like we are so prepared to just talk very formally, to be formal with each other. I'm sure people haven't seen this informal behavior between us, है ना?
Never.
Yeah, they've always seen this uh, respect that I've given you so much on the show.
Guess what? People are
I
telling us
always
to
speak the
sing.
truth.
By the
I
way,
always speak
they're
the truth.
telling they're
Sorry?
telling us to sing "Meethi Boliya." Sun lo.
Yeah. That you sing very beautifully. I still remember. Yes, that reminds me. You should. Definitely, you should sing.
मीठी बोलियां सुन लो
Very nice. सुन लिया. अब उसके आगे?
बेजुबानी बस आगे नहीं आता. Okay, funny shoot scene between you.
Funny?
Funny shoot scene between you.
Funny shoot scenes between you. मतलब between us.
Okay, no wait. I'm putting the question up on the screen.
Okay. Your favorite scene from all the seasons of KYY?
You answer part first.
So I had a lot of scenes. I had a wonderful time working, and I had too many emotions to display as a character. But one specific scene that comes to my mind is one scene that where I have to tell Nandini to part ways with me because my friend loves her and because Dhruv loves her, and then I have to take a step back. So I, in a way, try to show that I am a negative person, and whatever I did was to take revenge from you. And so it was just this dual personality that was switching between his own original character, what he was going through, and the character that he's trying to be imposing just to show Nandini that he's just a fake guy. So it was very performance oriented scene. It was an emotional scene, and I liked it very much. Apart from that, a lot of uh, Fab Five performances जो होते थे, जो on stage, musical, all that happening, that energy and that everything, the
Thakur
jokes that
College.
the fun, the laughter, the friendship, and everything that was fun.
Why are you
How
in touch
you?
with any other Fab Five friends?
Sorry.
I said you're not in touch with any other Fab Five friends.
Uh,
Why?
no, yeah, no.
Nation wants to
Guarantee
know,
I think.
not me.
No, I'm saying no. No.
No. Okay. My favorite scene, I think, is my drunk scene with you. I have a lot of scenes, but I think drunk scene is something that I remember. It was very Paglen
Yeah,
scene.
yeah.
It was
The
very
nation wants to
silly.
know whether Neeti Taylor, did you actually drink alcohol to look like that?
No, I
Because
didn't.
it looked like. You shouldn't lie.
I didn't. I didn't. I didn't drink alcohol. I was a
Okay, we
good girl
believe you.
then. I changed later on.
You changed, then you became what?
I became a naughty girl. Listen,
Okay.
someone has asked us, have you gone for a movie together? We
I don't think
haven't,
so.
but
Yeah,
no, we
yeah.
haven't, but we saw each other. We met each other in the movie hall. You remember?
We did?
Yeah. You were with Scarlett, I think. You were with a lot of people. It was after a कैसी यार shoot कोई तो movie देखने गए थे. I don't know.
I
अच्छी
don't know.
movie
I
नहीं
don't
थी.
know. Acha, okay. That's why I don't
हाँ.
remember.
Yeah. So we saw each other. We were watching the same movie.
Okay.
Okay.
Who was the funniest person on sets of KYY? Neeti, you should answer this question.
I don't know who was the funniest. I thought I was the funniest, but I was not.
I think
Who was the
that is
funniest?
the most funniest thing that Neeti has said on her live chat right now.
But who was
Uh,
the funniest?
I think Utkarsh. He was funny. The jokes, and he used to imitate all the other
Oh
actors on the
yeah, yeah,
show.
yeah, yeah, yeah. He used to
Yeah,
do his
that
silly
was the fun
things.
part. Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, okay. Guys, ask good questions. Sorry. Okay.
A scene from KYY that actually inspired you in real life. I think Neeti, your scene should be the last scene, season 3 ka, where we almost got engaged and all. And wahan se you took off and then you really got engaged. And that's a brilliant
I
answer.
got inspired. I got
Yeah,
inspired.
yeah,
I
yeah.
did. I did.
And I too got married 4-5 times. I got so
Yeah, you got
inspired.
married 4-5 times, so now
Yeah,
we're coming back with season 4 where you have kids who live in the same
yeah.
building, and I'll be the one married. Okay, and so did you cry when Nairobi died? Someone just asked that.
Did I what?
Nairobi died.
Nairobi is Money Heist.
हाँ वही.
What about that?
Did you cry?
Did I cry?
Cry?
Cry? No. I felt bad, but no.
But did you like the season?
I love the season, yeah.
Even
This
I
season,
love. A lot
I
of
loved
people
it.
didn't like it. I really
No, it's
liked
good.
it.
It's really good. Although I think a lot of people didn't like it because they expected the season to like the heist to get over in this season itself.
Yeah.
Maybe they felt it was dragged because they could have finished off the heist in this season itself.
Season.
Now they're taking it to season 5. So yeah, let's see. But it's really interesting. I mean, they always have the end part very interesting. That's what I've noticed. But that's how you should keep the audience
Who's your
hooked.
favorite character?
Who's my favorite character from the show?
Yeah,
The professor.
the professor.
Yeah.
Oh,
Although you will like Tokyo, I think.
what?
You will like Tokyo, I think.
No, I don't like Tokyo.
Achha.
No. I don't like. I like Nairobi. I like the
Do you like
professor, to be
Wuhan?
very honest.
I think you like Wuhan.
No. I like the pregnant lady, to be very honest. I think
Oh yeah,
she
she was
was
good. She was
amazing.
really good.
I forgot her
She was
name,
good.
but she was amazing.
Yeah, she was good.
What is her name? I forgot her
The
name.
I don't know. So
The
the
pregnant
closest
lady.
person to you on the sets. What sets? Which set? What?
You say na answer for Kasauti. No, we're talking
Acha.
about Kaisi Yaar, na? I think people will
I don't
ask
know.
us
I don't
for
know.
Kaisi Yaar.
We never mentioned that we're talking about Kaisi area.
Acha, okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
okay. So, closest person to you
We are
on
talking
sets.
about Neeti's marriage. We are talking about Kasauti mein kitni baar I get married. We are talking about COVID-19, and we are talking about
Somebody said her name was Monica.
no. Her name was Monica. I don't know. Pizza Hut or Domino's? Joey's.
Joey's Pizza. Oh my god, I love it.
Yeah.
Spicy chicken pizza is my favorite. Oh,
Joey's Pizza is open. Do you know that? I ordered pizza from it.
I love. Which one is your favorite? I love the spicy chicken. Joey's ka. Oh my god.
Spicy chicken. So there is one called chicken keema, and the other one is Joey's Special. You should try Joey's Special also.
Is it with like 2-3?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Three, yeah. It's huge.
Array. Chal, next time we'll do Joey's Pizza.
It's
And
open
we'll
by
go
now.
to socials.
Socials. Achha, okay. So Neeti has already planned everything. So guys, don't ever come to socials because you might come there.
Oh shit, I just gave out the. Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah,
They don't know
but
which socials. उनको कैसे पता
forget about which social. You didn't mention the date, no, which is good.
Yeah. अभी वैसे भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Yeah.
No, even
We
with
are
social
anti-social
media.
right now.